This is after the lock washers have been put on. So you have this Exmark or Toro 30-inch commercial mower, you know your motor. Mounting bolts get loose over time. So I'm going with, something happens. I think that the deck kind of gets warped. Could be the aluminum on the motor, the block on the motor, maybe gets a little warped or wore down from vibrating, I don't know. But you can't tighten it up anymore. So you can use a spacer or washers. I'm gonna try lock washers. So this is just showing you where the 3 bolts are, and I'm gonna start it up for the last part and just see if the motor is tight. Now, so that's bolt number 1. Number 2 is through this hole. Number 3 is through this hole. It's 3 bolts. You can look up the part number for the bolts. It's a special bolt. Don't try to use a Menards or Home Depot bolt. It's a special, I think it's called tap right bolt. It's not a circular bolt. So I believe it's called parabolic. Just look it up. Look up the part number and you'll see it. It's a 13 millimeter bolt. These are the washers I use. 3/8, grade 8 lock washers. I bought some flat washers. You could use flat washers also. Either one probably would have worked. And you don't have to use grade 8. You can probably just use stainless steel, or probably galvanized would work. I just went with automotive grade bolts. I don't want to do this anytime soon. Hopefully this will last for the whole season. So let me stop this, turn the motor up, back upright, start it back up, shake the motor, see if it's tight. I believe it is, and that's the fix. If your Exmark 30-inch or Toro time cutter 30-inch motor vibrates, just tighten up the 3 bolts on the bottom. Okay, here we go. Back upright, 30-inch. This is the X Series Commander Pro model. It's only about 3 years old, but these bolts probably toward the end of your first season, they probably start to come loose. But yeah, so now the motor is tight now, you can see. No more vibrate, no more looseness in the motor when you start it back up. Engage the blade, that should be it. Gas is turned off. Business, put the front covers back on. I think I'm good for another season. This mower is no longer for sale. It's fixed now.